Stiletto shaped nails is probably one of the most dangerous shape in all nail shape, but it can also be the most useful nail shape also. It is dangerous because a stiletto shaped nail can take an eye out. It can also take an ass out. But it can also be used to cut up a box, cut up some salad. A stiletto shaped nails is so useful when y'all get into a fight. Guarantee somebody gonna get their ass scratched up by stiletto shaped nails. Stiletto shaped nail can be useful in terms of cleaning hygiene. When it comes to cleaning your ass, a stiletto shaped nail, due to its sharpness, is able to get through those little tiny holes through the edges where you can pick up that piece of poop that's itching your butt. Other shape, you cannot do it. A stiletto shaped nails not only becomes sharp, but if you ever use it so much, it becomes an almond shaped nails. And if you decide you want to change the almond shaped nail to coffin square, all you have to do is just cut it down and becomes coffin shaped square. That's why stiletto shaped nail is the most useful and dangerous shape. Because it can take a bitch out, but it can also make a bitch look good.